Just no in here. This is the view of our room from the balcony. Friend and I are sharing this room, and another friend is sharing the other room. So let me just go forward. This is the room from our door. So we walk in. This is the bathroom. My friend is having a shower. This is our closet. Standard. Okay. When you walk in, mirror. Hi guys. My bed. I love this wallpaper. It looks like a watermark, but it's so beautiful. My friend's bed. I have my coffee. As you all know, oopsie poopsie goes everywhere with me. I've been having terrible sinus issues. I've been having it for well over 2 months because of the Sahara, and that's what this goes. I have packs of this goes everywhere with me. We have charging here, light switch. Huge television. This microwave was not here. We had dinner last night at a place called Tommy's, and we could not for the life of us finish our dinner, so we called and asked if they could bring up a microwave, and they did. No issue. They were up here in less than 10 minutes. The guy came, he set it up, and that's it. So we will be able to get our food warm. The TV stand also has a light, sockets. There's sockets here as well. There is one thing I could say: this room has tons of sockets. The air condition is under this little console area here. So this area is where the teas and stuff are, all complimentary, and it's also where a mini fridge is. Right, usual ice bucket. It's a mess, but let's go to the bathroom. It's a sliding door. So my friend just got done using the bathroom, which is why it's a little foggy. Toilet area, really clean. Bathroom. You get, instead of getting this small shampoo, conditioner and body wash, you get 8.5 ounces. All the gel. And that's it, guys. Say hi, Belinda.
Hi.
Say bye, Belinda.
Bye.